What's going on, YouTube? It is Hemi Boy 392 bringing you another video. Man, today I'm trying to button up a few things before the St. Louis trip. I'm on lunch right now at work. I'm finna run over to, I hate to say it, man, but Discount Tire is like the only place I can go to right now. I would rather not go to them so I can get this goddamn tire fucking light fucking fixed, or the tire sensor in the tire, man, because it just, now you can just hear it clinking. It sounds like something falling apart up in there. So I'm gonna try to go over here and get this figured out, see if they can get me out within like an hour or something, so I can get back to work. But I got a lot planned for y'all in this video, man. You know, I'm dropping videos every other day right now, pumping out some content for y'all. Today I'm probably gonna try to link up with rolling with Sean, maybe get a nice review on his Jeep, and have him hook me up, you know, Wolfpack Customs, you know, hook me up with the WICKERBILL install. When I get home, I'm gonna unbox that for y'all. But yeah, man, I got a lot planned for today. Gonna be outside today, man. It's nice outside. It's 82 degrees, so I'm gonna try to, you know, link up with Swervo or something. Yeah, but anyways, y'all, so if you're watching this video right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you leave a like, you know, because we're gonna be pumping out bangers every day. Like I say in every video, we're gonna be pumping out bangers. Well, not every day, but every other day, you know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned with me, see what we got going. Man, I thought I was going to a Discount Tire, but it was a Firestone. I don't know if y'all can see that, man, but I knew I shouldn't have took my ass up in there, boy, because I know they be taxing. But not gonna be getting done here, so I'm gonna just have to wait till I get off, go get a tire sensor put in from Discount, because they usually always have them in stock. So I'm gonna have to wait till I get off, because ain't no way I'm gonna make it and then make it back to work on time, you know what I'm saying? But I'll hit y'all back when I get it. Alright, y'all, so I just left Discount Tire, and you see the no more pesky light on the dash. Yes, sir, we got that taken care of. Mug was broke off up in there. It was in like 20 pieces. Every time I turned the wheel, you heard clanking. You turn this air down a little bit. But yeah, man, I got that all taken care of. Now I'm finna go home. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this WICKERBILL right now, because I'm gonna wait until tomorrow, because it took me a while to be at the tire shop. I was there for about an hour, so I didn't want to wait too late. So I'm gonna probably just link up with Sean tomorrow so he can help me out with this WICKERBILL install, you know what I'm saying? So I'm on my way home. I want to get the car washed, so I'm probably gonna wash it and then let it sit until the day that we leaving for St. Louis. And I want to get a haircut too, man, but we leaving out at like 9 o'clock in the morning, so I ain't gonna be able to get my barber. He booked up, you know, for the times that I'm available, because you know I gotta work and stuff all the way up until Friday. But you know, it is what it is. I shape my own self up, you know, just the beard though, because I ain't touching my own head, you know what I'm saying? Because you know I leave that to the professionals. But yeah, man, I'm on my way home. I'm go ahead and catch y'all when I get to the house, so I can unbox this WICKERBILL for y'all. You know what I mean? Alright, guys, so I'm back at the house right now, and you see I got this box right here. It is my WICKERBILL. I decided I wasn't gonna wait till tomorrow to unbox it, because you know I already had a bad experience with waiting to unbox something with my diffuser, and then it happened to be the wrong thing. So I want to unbox it right now just to make sure it's the right thing before I, you know. So we got it in here. And they bent the shit to get it in the box. I thought it was gonna be small, but you see, I got, it's one from eBay. I'm not really sure which brand it is, you know, but it's kind of like almost a generic one. It's not the Z01 add-ons one, because I kind of want to test it out first to see if I actually like it and what the quality is versus the Z01 add-ons one. Yeah, I want to test it out just, you know, before I go ahead and spend $300 or $200 something on a WICKERBILL I spent. you know, X amount of money that wasn't $200 or $250 on a wicker bill, you know, just so I can get the feel of it. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. It looked good in the pictures. You just gonna have to wait to see what it looked like on the car. So it come with the centerpiece that goes in the middle, and then obviously the longer wicker bill. And then it also comes with a rib nut gun, which I'm glad it does because I didn't want to go buy one. So I'm glad it came with this rib nut gun. So it's gonna make the job easier, I guess. And you asking me like, hey Derek, are you gonna put the wicker bill on? No, I'm not gonna put this. I'm not putting this one on, only for the pure fact that you have to drill into that, I think, and I don't feel comfortable doing that yet. So I'd rather see it done in person first. That's something I'm not gonna attempt on my own. Yeah, I know it's a lot of YouTube videos out there, and there's a lot of people that say it's easy, but I'd rather not take the risk right now, especially before a big car show. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to drive around with holes in my shit, you know. So that's the wicker bill. I should be getting it put on next video. Hopefully I have it on next video. You know, it just depends on how our schedules work and, you know, what he got going on and stuff like that. So that's gonna be my unboxing video on the wicker bill. So yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead, probably wash the car. You see it's real filthy. I got caught in the rain yesterday. I didn't know it was gonna rain yesterday. But one thing I do want to show you guys is how this front Novistretch bra has been doing. You see it's caught a lot of bugs and shit, so I think it's definitely doing its job. I've had it on for how many days I had this on? 3 days? I had it on for about 3 days. So it's definitely doing its job at catching the bugs. It's definitely going to do wonders when we go to St. Louis this Friday. But yeah, man, if you in the market, if you don't want to pay $1,000 something for paint protection film or something like that, you just go ahead and get you a Novistretch. You'll like it. It's a good investment. A lot of people don't like the way it looks on the front of the car, but I think it looks pretty cool. Not that I'm gonna ride around with it all the time, but you know, it is what it is. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, and also make sure you share and hit that notification bell, because I got a lot of bangers coming, a lot of videos I'm finna be dropping. If you see, I'm gonna take you over here. Don't mind the dirty car. Y'all see I went and picked up another memory card because I got a lot of videos I got planned. So y'all just stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.